Today we will discuss about the second part, that is equivalence of push-down automata to the context-free grammar. We have already discussed about the context-free grammar to the corresponding PDA. Now we have to convert a given PDA to corresponding the context-free grammar. The, the procedure of this conversion here, the input symbol, that is PDA is represented by here the transition function. So the input symbol of PDA, that is push down automata, will be the terminal of CFG. Means input symbol, where the input symbol is read by the finite control is PDA, will be the transition function, will be the terminals of CFG. So here the terminals, any CFG in this form of GNF, that is A to small a, that is terminal, to alpha, that is alpha belongs to variable closure, right? Now, if the PDA moves from the state Q1 on consuming the input A, where A belongs to sigma, when Z is the top of the stack, then non-terminal of the CFG are in triplet form, that is Qi, Z, Qj. So here that is very important, that is the first Z is at top of the stack, so the non-terminal in this form, that is state stack of the symbol to the another state. Similarly, if the Q0 go to the third point, that is Q0 is the initial state and QF is the final state. So the triplet form of the start symbol, that is Q1, Z, QF, right? The production of the CFG can be obtained by the transition of the PDA as shown below here. That is each transition, that is delta Qi small a to Z is equal to Qj comma AB. Here QA is a QAI is a current state, A is a input symbol, Z is a stack symbol, and Qj is a next state, and AB is to write to the corresponding stack. So you can write the following the production. So the Qi, so Qi is here, A is a terminal, so there, and now Qj, so Qj is a next. So in this A and B non-terminal, we can write the triplet form here A and B. So we are starting from Qj, so Qj here, Qja to any combination of QL, any combinations of the states. So here QL will be represented by the combinations, that is QK. Here you have to, there is QK and QL will take all possibilities of the states, that is QK and QL, right? So ultimately the right hand side QJAQL, where QL BQK, ultimately it will go from QI to QK. So left hand side, that would be clear, that is QIZQK to small a QJAQL QLBQK, where QL and QK will be all possibilities of the state Q, right? Now for another transition, that is Q delta Qi input symbol A Z to Qj comma null, So the corresponding production, so it will start from Qi. So you can write Qi here. Z is a stack, so Z is there. A is the input symbol, so input symbol here. So you have to go to Qj. So Qj is there. So ultimately, right hand side, no non-terminals are there. So you can just lambda. So I have taken an example where we have to obtain a CFG for the corresponding delta. So here, this example, delta Q0AZ to Q0AZ. So to obtain the CFG from the PDA, all the transitions should be in form of QiAZ to equal to QJAB or QiAZ to QiQJ lambda as the previous procedure. Now just go to the main part, that the transition is like, that is delta Q0A small a capital A Q3 lambda. So you can write that is Q0A. So you can write Q0A Q3, that is the triplet form, to small a, in that way. Another example, Q0 to Q1 with A is the top of the stack. So triplet is this Q0 A Q1 to small b. Understand what I'm saying? Similarly, the next example, Q1 Z Q2 to lambda. Okay. And now the next type of transition. So here the right hand side AB form. So delta Q0A comma Z. So we can write that delta Z delta delta Q0 small a Z. So you are starting from Q0 to Q0. So you can write Q0 Z here, Z here, and so A is a terminal here. So you have to start Q0 here. Here two non-terminal, one is for A, another is for Z, and here QL and QK, any combination of Q. So you can write first Q0 combination. So Q0 here. So ultimately we have to go Q0 to Q0. So this one is fixed, and QL you have to variable all the combinations. So Q0 here. So Q1, Q2, and Q3. Next time this Q0 will be changed to Q1. So ultimately all combination of QL, that is Q0, Q1. So only change the Q1. So that combinations are there, Q2 and Q3. So now QK is to Q2. So you have to again all the combinations of the states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3 likewise. Similarly, when we have to consider the last QK is Q3, so you have to write Q0 Z Q3. So A Q0, you have to take in all combination of QL. So Q0, this Q1, this Q2, and last Q3. right? So similarly in the next step, that is q3 lambda epsilon z to q0 az. So here lambda there, so there are no terminal symbol. So here you have to start q3 to q3, z is z here, and q0, so q0 here, and ql and ql and qk, all combination of states. So first of all we have to fix qk to q0. So q0 is fixed and ql are all combinations of q0, q1, q2, q3. So here q0, here q1, next q2, and the third one is q3. So you have to check every combinations. Similarly, the next step, while qk, qk, q, q1 and ql are all combinations. So q1, qk is q1, all qk are same, and ql are all combinations. q0 here, q1 here, q2 here, and q3 here. Okay. Similarly, all the productions likewise. So you have to check every productions from the corresponding transition function. That's all. If you have any query, so you have to mail me or you have to contact me. Okay. Thank you.